Hello everyone. Now let's answer sample problems on permutation. First problem, we'll have in how many ways can 3 boys and 3 girls be seated in a row? So, the idea here is that we have 6 people or 6 objects that we are going to arrange in 6 spaces, right? So, the idea of this is that manually or using fundamental counting principle, diba, there are 6 people who can sit in this first chair, right? Or pwede mag-start diri sa left or pwede mag-start diri sa right. Right? So diri sa first or maski asa ka actually, na maski asa nga chair. So diri kani nga chair, 6 ka buk ang pwede mo lingkod diha. Kay we have 3 boys and 3 girls. And then the next kay ni kaingkod naman ang isa, so 5 na ka buk ang pwede makalingkod sa ikaduha nga chair or wherever the chair is atong pilion, no? Puno gyapon ang resulta. And 4 and 3, 2, 1, that's how it goes, right? So we have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we have 720 ka ways. Or we can use the permutation nga n factorial because we have n taken n at a time. Not 6 persons going to sit in 6 chairs. So we have 6 factorial equals 720 ways or 720 ka arrangements. Now we'll have another problem. Same situation but another problem, no? This time in a row but they must occupy alternate seats. So girl, boy, or what have you. So yung ani atong itsura, no? Pwede ani boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. Right? So, diri sa first 2, tulo ka buk ang pwede mo lingkod, di ba? Kay tulo mga boys. So tulo ka buk pwede mo lingkod dira. Diri po sa girls, tulo ka buk pwede mo lingkod dira. And the next nga set of chairs, tagduha na lang, right? Kaya nakaingkod naman ang isa dire. So duha lang po pwede mo lingkod sa next 2 chairs. Tagduha. Respectively, no, boys or girls. And of course, isa na lang nabilin. So 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 1 times 1. So we have 36 ka buok. But we need to understand nga kana nga arrangement is boy ang una from the left. Pwede man god nga girl ang maguna from the left, right? You have girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. That is still alternate, right? So diri we still have the same concept and still have 36 ka arrangements. Therefore, 36 plus 36, so there are 72 possible arrangements kung ang mga boys and girls, tulo ka boys at tulo ka girls mag-occupy alternate seats. Alright, I hope na-gets ninyo. Let's have another example. Paramount Pictures will reboot the popular 90s film Wayne's World. No, kaning comedy sa una nga salida. They have identified 11 comedian artists who can play either Wayne or Garth. In how many ways can they come up with a comedic duo? So, the idea is 11 ka buok, kuhaan og duha lang nga mo play as either Wayne or Garth, no? Ing ana ang mo kuhaan. So, the idea here is that kaning 11 ka buok, no, kaning 11 ka buok nga kuhaan atog duha can either play Wayne or Garth. Alright? So, maski kisa sa ila mo play og Wayne or mo play og Garth. So, kung ingani ang idea, ingani atong concept, no, duha ka box spaces that represents the 2 positions for the movie for Wayne and Garth, right? So, we have 11 man ka book pwede. So, 11 ka book pwede mo play as Wayne. Since ang isa ni play naman as Wayne, the remaining people can be selected to play Garth. Alright? So you have 11 times 10, therefore there are 110 possible ways. Or if you're going to use the permutation rule na ato ang na-discuss sa previous video, we have the permutation of n taken r at a time. So we have our n is 11 and our r is 2 because there are 2 positions, no, for the movie. So 11 taken 2 at a time, permutation of 11 taken 2 at a time. So you can use the calculator again and then you will get 110. If you input in your calculator using the permutation function nga sa inyong calculator, we have 110. So 110 possible ways of selecting Wayne and Garth from 11 comedian artists. And so next example, we have 3 boys and 3 girls will sit around a round table. In how many ways can they be seated? So we have sitting around a round table, therefore we have circular permutation, right? So since there are 3 boys and 3 girls, so 6 people that are going to be arranged, right? And then we'll use the formula n minus 1 factorial. So we have 5 factorial, 120 ways for 3 boys and 3 girls to sit around a circular table. Now let's have the same situation but different problem. This time, what if ang mga girls kay mag-sit together or they're going to sit beside each other? Diba? So, unsay scenario ing ani? So, ing ani ang scenario niya, diba? Round table, circular table, or what have you. And then, mo niya ang unang posisyon. No? Boy, then girl, 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 then boy, then boy. No? Pwede po ding ani. Boy, dayon girl, 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 boy, boy. Ana, the same, warag gituyok ra gamay, right? Nabayluay lang si 3 o si 2. Diba? Pwede po ding ani. Right? But the thing here is, since ang girls kay mag-sit man beside each other, para madali atong pag-calculate, no, di na ta kailangan maglistaan para magamit ato ang mga fundamental accounting principle and then the rules. Ang atong buhaton, since magtapad man sila, we can put them in one group or we can consider them as one. Alright? So i-consider siya as one. So we have how many objects na karon ang atong i-arrange around the circle? We have 3 boys, dayon plus 1 group of girls. So therefore, there are 4 objects that needed to be arranged, no? Initially, mo na itong i-arrange sa circular manner. Therefore, ato i-calculate n minus 1, that means our n is 4. So we have, so far, 6 kabuok ang ato ang kuan ganang arrangement, no? Kung i-consider ang girl as 1. Right? Now, since ang mga girls nga naa diri sa grupo, no, we can rearrange them. Pwede si G3 dire, si G2 dire, and so on and so forth. Pwede sa baylo-baylo. That means, napatay rearrangement sa sulod sa group. So, we can use the 3 taken 3 or the n factorial, right? So, we have 3 factorial, kaya 3 mas nakabuok, so 6. So, that means, atong i-multiply ang outcome sa circular permutation nga naka-group ang girls times kaning rearrangement sa group sa girls. Right? So that means 6 times 6, 36. So therefore, there are 36 possible arrangements for 3 boys and 3 girls to sit around a round table wherein the girls are to be seated beside each other. Alright? There are many other examples out there. Try, there are so many resources. Check lang palihog and then comment down or PM me to ask for help regarding permutation. See you around.